In today's tutorial I will show you how to hide your following list on TikTok so others can't see it. Open up the TikTok application. And then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your TikTok profile, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on Settings and Privacy. So what you want to do next is tap on the second option, which is Privacy. And then scroll down to the bottom of the page. There is an option called Following List. Simply tap on it. Who can see your following list? Right now it is set for everyone, so in order to hide your following list on TikTok, simply select Only Me. And now other users will only see mutual friends if they tap on the following option. And if you don't have mutual friends with other users, it will show them a pop-up saying that the following list is hidden due to this user's privacy settings.